guys, this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi.
She's gonna be doing the makeup challenge with me where we're gonna pick a random colored pencil with our eyes closed, and that's the color that we're gonna be doing on our eyes. I'm gonna be doing her makeup and I'll be doing mine in between and just kind of show you as we go. So enjoy. We both have our eyes primed already, so the first color she's gonna choose. Close your eyes and pick a random one. What'd you get? Oh, we got a green. It's like a lime green. We're gonna go in with the green from the ABH Norvina Volume 2 palette. This green right here because it's closest and it's just that really bright neon green. This is where we're at with the first color. Now we're picking another one. Ooh, perfect. We got
good luck.
Yeah, that was luck. I thought you were gonna grab brown for a second, but we got this blue, so let's find a blue. The same palette, we're gonna be using this blue right here. So this is what we got now. Pick another one.
Orange?
Okay. Okay, we got orange. We're gonna go ahead and go in with this orange right here. I didn't want it to get muddy on the top with the blue and the green, so we went ahead and put it down on our lower lash line. Next color. Please be a good one. Yep, we're doing red. That's also probably going to go down here. Okay, there's no red in the Volume 2 palette, so we're going to use the ABH Norvina Volume 3 palette because there is a red in here. And we're going to go in with this one right here. So this is what we got now. I just kind of mixed it in with the orange a little bit. So let's hope we get a good color for hopefully the top this time. What is it? We got like a mauve. Let me see if I can find one. We're gonna go ahead and use this one right here. Ooh. Okay, this is what we've got. So let's try to get a shimmer for this part right here. Let's hope that it's a good color for right there. Let's try it. Go.
I'm gonna pick one aside.
Is it a good one? Oh, that's perfect. Okay, we're gonna put yellow right here. And a shimmer. Let me find a shimmer.
Red, orange, yellow.
There's not very many yellow shimmer options, so we're gonna do this yellow shimmer right here. It's a little bit lighter, but it's still yellow.
Ooh.
Perfect. After adding that yellow shimmer, this is what we've got, and we're gonna be adding some mascara and liner. So we'll be back with the finished look. This is the finished look after adding some falsies and liner. I added some liner to hers and just a little bit of mascara, but we're happy with the way it came out. I think we got lucky one more time with the colors. The yellow really pulled everything together, especially the red and the orange at the bottom. Let us know what you guys think, and we will see you next time.
Bye, guys.